governing a big country is like cooking small fish. Sage govern the country with Tao. The hidden dangers that endanger the country and its people have no chance to manifest themselves. It is not that the hidden danger is harmless and completely eliminated, but because it has no chance to harm the country and its people. Therefore, Sage does no harm to the people. Sage and the people do no harm for each other. They enjoy the benefit of Te, virtue. In this chapter, the process of cooking small fish is not like the process of handling big fish to scale and pick gills. Afraid of being pricked by fish bones. There is no need to turn back and forth after the pot. Afraid to destroy the fish. By using this idea to get along with the people and not interfering too much in their lives, the people in charge of the country benefit from each other instead of harming each other.